Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a super glam Halloween makeup tutorial. I was having trouble this year coming up with like an actual character or something more costumey. So I know in the past I've done Freddy Krueger, Dorothy, Harley Quinn. I couldn't think of anything like that this year. So I figured I could just stick to what I know and love and turn a glam makeup look into like a Halloween costume, I guess. Oranges, blacks, some glitters, just go all out with the cut crease, lots of like contour and highlight going on. I feel like this could definitely be like something you could wear to a Halloween party if you just put on all black, maybe like a pop of orange and this makeup on. I definitely feel like it makes a statement. It's definitely a lot of steps, it's a lot of makeup, but like I said, it's really fun for Halloween, and I just wanted to do something different this year on my channel than like a costume or something like that. But I really love how it turned out. This was so fun to film. I'm really loving experimenting and playing around with makeup again. I know I tend to be stuck in like a neutrals rut sometimes, but this was really fun. The cut crease, the glitter. I know I'm not the best at like super extravagant looks like this, but I tried my best. Like I said, it's just super fun for Halloween, and it could definitely be like a last minute go-to Halloween solution. So I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing this video and hanging out with me for a while. We're gonna kick it back old school today, just do like a classic voiceover makeup tutorial. And without further ado, if you guys want to know how to get this super glam Halloween cut crease, let's just go ahead and get started. So let's just jump on into this look. I'm first going in with the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette. I've been really loving this palette. Definitely let me know if you guys want more of an in-depth video on this palette, like a review or something. But for today's video, I'm using the shade Cheeky for this look, which is a gorgeous bright orange shade. And I'm just buffing this through the crease. It's okay that I'm like kind of really diffusing it and taking it out really far, because that is going to shape the direction of the cut crease. And also it's just really important to have a lot of color built up, because we are going to be covering a lot of it with concealer, and you still want some of that orange to show through. So first I went in with a fluffy brush, and now just going back and forth between a little bit more of a dense crease brush and the fluffy brush again, just to really pack on the color and then build it up. But to carve out the lid and to actually shape the cut crease, I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 16. I'm taking this on a small lid brush. This is from Alamat Cosmetics, the Ojitos Trio. I will have it linked down below for you guys. It is definitely my new favorite brush for cutting my crease, but I took it up a little too far, so I just went back in with some of that orange shadow, and then again finishing up the cut crease. I'm definitely really rusty when it comes to cut creases. I feel like I don't have the best eye shape to do a cut crease, so just play around with it, play around with different shapes. Whatever suits your eye, you can do that shape. Going in with the Leo from the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Zodiac palette. This palette is still available, you guys. I thought it was sold out, but it is still available. This is the most like gorgeous orange to gold duochrome shade, and I just thought it was so festive and perfect with the orange look that we have going on. But if you guys don't want to get this palette just for this look, or if you don't have anything similar, you could totally use just like a different shade of orange or a gold or a silver. Whatever you guys have on hand will totally work. So I'm just applying that with a little Fix Plus on my brush to really apply it smoothly over the lid, following the shape of the cut crease, and then I'm just going ahead and cleaning up the edges with a Q-tip, because I want it to be like a super sharp wing, and I'm going to do like a double wing. You guys will see at the end when the look comes together. But just to define the actual line of the cut crease a little bit more, I'm going in with a deeper orange. This one is Real Gar from the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH. Just going in on a little detail brush to really define that cut crease. This definitely isn't like a necessary step. I just think if you guys want to define that line a little bit more, if you over blended, or if you really just want to separate the lid shade from what you have going on in your crease, this is a really cool detail to add in the cut crease. Just to go in and do a little bit more blending and add another shade above the transition, just so it's like more of a gradient up towards my brow, I'm going into that same e.l.f. palette, and I'm going in with the shade Sassy, just to blend out the edges of that orange and to add a little bit more of like a softer orange above where the super bright one is, if that makes any sense. And this is the Wet n Wild crease brush, which is absolutely amazing. If you guys don't have it, I definitely recommend it. But now getting on into the double wing that I was talking about, I really wanted to do do a black wing because I love like the orange and black vibes of Halloween. But you guys know I'm totally not into liquid liner anymore. I find that it's a little bit too harsh on my eye. So I'm taking Capricorn from the same Zodiac palette, which is black with some glitter in there. And I'm just doing a shadowing with a little Sigma winged liner brush. I will have it linked down below. It is awesome and a really easy way to do liner with shadow. So here are the eyes complete, all the shadow down. Next step is to go into the waterline with some black eyeliner. This is the Pop Beauty Kajal pen. This is a step I never take in my makeup routine, but I really thought it would just amp up the look again and just give like a dark vibe to the look in a way. I haven't worn eyeliner in my waterline in about 5 or 6 years, so it was definitely an adjustment. 7th grade Jackie was used to this, but present Jackie definitely was not. So my eyes were kind of watering and stuff, but now I'm going on to some lashes. You guys know lashes typically aren't my thing, but just for Halloween, I knew they would be fun. I knew they would really amp up the look, and these are some of my favorites. These are the Ardell Beauty Demi Wispies, but these are the studio effect version, so they're just a little bit more like thick and wispy and fluffy. They almost give like a little bit of a faux mink vibe. Those are both of the lashes applied. I absolutely love them. If you guys are looking for a great pair of lashes that are seriously only like $4 or $5, I definitely recommend those. But now moving on to the base, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation Primer, and I'm just putting that all over the skin to really prep for foundation. If you guys are going to a Halloween party or going trick-or-treating, you definitely want a long-lasting base, and this will last forever. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I wear mine in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and when I say this will not budge, this will seriously last for hours and hours. I haven't worn it for 24 hours, but I have worn it approaching 12 hours, and it's literally perfection. It lasts for so long. The concealer you guys see me applying now is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer again, and I wear mine in the shade Light 16, and just going in and blending this out with the best sponge ever, which is the L'Oreal Face Blender sponge, but just to get really detailed under the eye because I want to really perfect the wing and not ruin anything. I'm just going in with a little concealer brush. This is the same brush that I typically use around my brows to clean up my brows and carve out my brows, just to really perfect that under eye. And I am going in with a bit more concealer than I usually would. I'm really packing on the products today because I feel like it just gives a really glam effect. Also because I feel like the lighting washes out when I have like a highlight and contour going on. So I'm really just packing on the product. Going in with some bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Rosewood, as well as the Anastasia Contour Kit 2 Contour. I know I'm not showing you guys all of the products, but I will definitely have everything linked down below if you guys are interested in more product details. This right here is the Flor Mar Brush on Terracotta Powder in the shade Golden Peach. I'm laughing because the mirror on this thing is so tiny and I was trying to use it, but I really wanted to stick with like a peachy orange monochromatic look when it came to my blush as well as my highlight, so that is why I chose these two products. This one being Champagne Pop by Becca and Jaclyn Hill. This definitely to me leans on a really strong peachy side, so I really wanted to apply it, and I know it looks like I have a lot of makeup on right now. I definitely do because it's Halloween and I wanted it to be super glam, but I'm going to go in and blend everything out as well as spray my face with some Fix Plus. But I just love how this looks. Like I said, I love all of the peachiness going on. I really love the intense highlight when it comes to a glam look like this, and I feel like for Halloween it's just appropriate and you can definitely get away with it. So like I said, I'm just blending everything out using my big powder brush, and then I'm going to give my face a nice spritz of Fix Plus just to melt all of that powder into my skin and make my skin look a little bit more seamless and hydrated. Moving back to my eyes, I'm doing some work on my lower lash line. I'm taking the same orange shade that we used originally in my crease and just lining my lower lash line with this, being sure to get that underneath the wing, really rimming the eyes with this. I thought it would be cool to have the orange kind of blown out around the whole eye look just to really intensify everything, and the black waterline really popped once I did this. But what is a glam Halloween look without some glitter, you guys? I'm going in with this Stella Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow in the shade Kitten Karma. I'm applying this on the inner third of my lower lash line as well as my inner corner just to add a little sparkle and a fun element to this look. And of course, I feel like it is so appropriate for this time of year, and it's just so festive for Halloween or a party. And last but not least, I'm going to be going in with a lipstick. I was deciding between a few different lipsticks for this look, but I decided to go with Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Peachy. Again, just keeping it kind of monochromatic, very peachy, very orange, but still neutral and wearable, and I love how this looks. Alright you guys, so that is going to complete my Halloween makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed and found this like useful. Like I said in the beginning, this could be such an awesome like last minute thing, or even if you're not like a costume kind of person and you just want to get in the Halloween spirit, I think this is a really great alternative as well. You guys can also go ahead and add like some spiders or like a spider web if you want to make it like a little bit more like costumey. I think that would be awesome as well. I did just want to mention one thing before I go, that if you guys want to take this look to even like a further Halloween level, I think something that would be really awesome is maybe throwing on a black lipstick. If you want to have like a really intense makeup look, I think that would be super fun as well. The one that I have right here that I want to show you guys is from CoverGirl, and it is the Katy Kat matte lipstick in Perry Panther. So I just thought that this would be a really awesome alternative. You guys know I just love my peachy nude, so that is the one that I wanted to go with today. I think it really adds to like the orange monochromatic vibes. But like I said, if you guys wanted to be really intense and then just like take the look all the way there, you could totally throw on a black lipstick and you are definitely in the Halloween spirit. But that is going to complete this video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing me do this makeup tutorial of this Halloween cut crease glam look. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, definitely let me know. I feel like I don't do them often because they're not super popular here on YouTube nowadays, and I feel like not a lot of people like to see them. But if you guys want to see more fun looks or different things that I come up with, definitely leave me a comment down below and I will be sure to do that for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this one, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you guys don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification bell down below and you will get directly notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope that you guys have an awesome and safe Halloween, whatever you're doing. Let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween this year, or how you're going to do your makeup. I would love to know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!